We can take it! Burn your family! What are you doing?
Well, I'm avoiding the blast. Goodbye, whore.
Not cute! Where you going, man?
What was those stuffing?
Surprise!